slow-moving train. What's up, guys? It's Reptilian Rail Fans. We're, fortunately, Cobra Gamer is not here with us right now. And it's just me, Total Rocker, but, yeah, we're over here at Erlanger filming a nice train. I have suspicions that Kentucky and Ohio rail fanner is behind that trailer there. I have suspicions that he is lurking. Based on what I see with the signal lights, can't really see them. I have no idea what color the other lights are. I have no idea. There could be another train for all I know. We're on like triple track over here, so like I totally have no idea what's going on, but still along this video. So I'm actually filming on my new iPhone 14. Finally, I actually got something I can do it, and there's a real possibility, my dear friends, that I could be taking over the channel. And Cobra Gamer could just be a guest star, only occasionally showing up in a few videos. This is a very real possibility, since he doesn't have enough time to go film stuff, where I'm almost by, whereas I'm by a train track. I like live right next to a train track, and I go there a lot. Oh, he lives. Oh, we got this. He lives by a train track. However, he doesn't really go by it that much, and it's more like a yard. As you can see, there are two DPUs coming up. What appears to be an sd70mac. Specifically this one right here. My parents are back there eating some ice cream and an icy. We literally arrived here at the most perfect time possible, and I have suspicions that there could very well be another DPU. Whether it's in the middle or the back is the question. As you can see here, we have two Chicago Northwestern, three Chicago Northwestern hoppers. Quite rare. Actually, they're really not though, but still a cool sight. I said this already. I sometimes have a bad memory. But we're in Erlanger right now. Oh, that must be owned by the Cincinnati Museum Center. It says CMC. Haha, I know. I'm hilarious. Get used to it. That could be a Pan Am boxcar. That car are rattling. Them cars are rattling. It's not Pan Am. Man, that would be nice. I haven't seen a Pan Am boxcar in a minute. Oh, another DPU. There's another DPU. How surprising. This is very flabbergasting. Sorry about the finger getting in the way. I have ADHD and constantly on, so get used to it. Nice AC44CM. Oh, no way, that's another. Nah. Dang. Another train. My dear friends, this is amazing. Yep. Wow. This is gonna be the first video I've ever filmed here. I want you guys to know this now. I've never seen this happen here. I've been here. I've been going here since I was like 9, and I've never seen this here. Wow, that's cool. As you can see, tiny children are playing by the caboose. Now, we're gonna cut this video for now until we get a DPU, since my phone may be running low on battery, or not battery, storage. So, we'll see you soon.